friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about G.Skill's DDR5 8824 GB DIMM at Computex. So friend, G.Skill at the 2023 Computex show off fastest DDR5 memory kits, including some high performance kits in the non-standard 24 GB DIMM densities. Our visit to G.Skill would begin with a handful very boutique custom PC build. One of them looks like xenomorph egg, another like a glass pyramid, and another like an Intel semiconductor wafer, another like sci-fi drilling platform, and friend the Trident Z5 series of DDR5 memory from the bulwark of G.Skill's current generation lineup. And friend, the company showcased the W790 Xeon W9-3495X workstation built with 8-channel 384 GB memory setup with rather tight timing of 30, 39, 39, 90, 60, and company also shows how fast some of its non-standard capacity DIMMs can get with the DDR5 6800 16 GB build with 34 46, 46, 108 timings, and the star attraction was built with 48 GB memory and a stellar DDR5 8000 40, 48, 48, 128 timing. And G.Skill even perform a live overclocking event, overclocking this to DDR5 8800 speed. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.